Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Jesse Daly here in the beautiful U.S. Virgin Islands. Thank you so much for being with me on this video. My friends, we have a lot to talk about out in the Atlantic right now, and we are looking at infrared satellite imagery courtesy of tropicaltidbits.com. Infrared satellite imagery measures the temperature of cloud top, so the darker colors you see are areas of deep convection. One area that stands out pretty significantly is Tropical Storm Lorenzo in the central Atlantic. This system recently formed in the last day or so, and it is expected to remain over water, which of course is great news. But there is another area that we need to talk about behind Lorenzo. This tropical wave moving off the west coast of Africa. My friends, this could be potentially a problem as we move forward in the next week or so. Now, we have until November 30th until the end of hurricane season, so we still have a little ways to go here. Typically, after around October 15th, our attention shifts to the Western Caribbean and closer to the mainland U.S. for development near the Gulf, but we can still have waves that can move across the main development region, and that may happen with this potential wave. Let's take a look at the computer forecast models. This is the global forecast system ensembles. This was initialized here on Monday, and we can see Lorenzo kind of making a move out to sea. But the system behind it may become, develop and become a potential problem. If it does develop, by the way, it would be named Melissa if it reaches tropical storm strength with maximum sustained winds of at least 39 miles per hour. Now, let's take a quick look at the European ensembles. Similar situation. We see Lorenzo say goodbye and go out to sea, but there is that, the wave behind it that stays further west, at least in these model runs, and takes it very close to the Caribbean. Some of these model runs are taking it really close to where I am in the U.S. Virgin Islands, and some of the models are taking it farther into the Caribbean, which then could become a problem for the Gulf states. Still a ways out, gotta watch it. This is Google AI DeepMind model. And again, some of the models are more in agreement than others, but I want to show you all of the model initialization runs so we can take a look what's happening. This is a quick look at our weather here in the U.S. Virgin Islands for the next week or so. Again, things are uncertain based on what happens with that wave behind Lorenzo. By the way, if it does come across and develop, or even if it just becomes, a rainmaker, it would likely affect our region around October 20th to 21st or so. I'll keep you posted. You stay safe out there, my friends. Make sure to follow the National Hurricane Center. It's really important to stay up to date with forecasts. I'll keep you posted from here on St. Croix. And as always, I will keep an eye on the tropical skies come rain or shine.